I'd like to thank SmartDevil for going through and sending me these screen protectors for the iPhone 12 Max Pro. They have lots of different versions for all iPhones, not just the 12. So you're in luck if you're looking for a different model. I'm going to go through and show you how I installed it in a moment, but you can see here it is very nice and smooth and no bubbles, and it wasn't too difficult to do. So let's go through and show you the breakdown and give you an idea. Let's go through and open up the SmartDevil screen protection. And when we pull it out, you can see the kit is very solid and gives a lot of stuff. We actually have 3 kits in here. So we have 1 already on and then 2 in the envelope. There's the phone we're going to put on. That's a 12 Pro Max. And then you have 2 extra and the directions as well. So we're going to put the extras in the envelope for another time. And now what we're going to do is go through and get this set up. So it's 1, 2, 3. Pretty simple. First thing you're going to do is clean the screen. So we're going to open up the clean area and use that to clean it. We're going to turn it off first because I've done lots of these. It's always best if you turn your phone off first. Go through and just clean it. And next we got to dry it. We got a towel for that. Microfiber, we'll do that. And then finally, we're going to use a dust sticker. This you just go through and blotch it to get any dust that might still be setting there. Now what we're going to do is put the case on. You just go through and put it on top of it and you push it down. And then once you get here, you grab this and you pull the thing from the bottom down. Once you do, just let it go and it's going to go through and put it on to remove the bubbles automatically. Works pretty solid as you can see. And we're just going to give it an extra moment. And then we're going to go through and take the case off. And then we're going to take the top protection screen off next. And there you have it, a sparkling protection on our case. So overall, would I purchase these for a screen protector? Definitely, can't go wrong.